Fix network adapter error, code 37, in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Restart your PC. Restarting the computer is often the first step in troubleshooting many types of errors in Windows, including code 37 for network adapters. When a computer is restarted, it clears the system memory, stops all running processes and services, and reloads the operating system and device drivers. Method 2. Install Windows updates. Method 3. Fix corrupted system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Method 4. Scan for hardware changes. When Windows scans for hardware changes, it can identify and scan any absent hardware components that could be causing error code 37. This process reinstalls the missing components and improves their responsiveness. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Method 6. Use System Restore. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems.